Hello guys, this is John's Rail. Date po tayo, meron tayong bago nakita ngayon. Ito guys, malaki. Ito magandang klaseng bato. Tignan natin to guys. Ayan po siya. Okay. Ayun nga, magandang klaseng batong to. Ito guys. Ayan po. Date updates po tayo na uli sa ating channel page po natin. Ito po, magandang klaseng bato. Lilinisin na natin ito. Malaki din to. Ayan. Tignan po natin, oh. Maganda yung design niya guys. Maganda yung spotted black. Yung spotted black na bato. Ito. Spotted kind of stone po siya. And here you go. Masyadong nakadikit yung mga putik ng lupa eh. Masa-masa pa kasi. Ayan po guys. Magandang klaseng bato to guys. Ayan po sa atin ngayon, lahat ng mga subscribers. Ayan po, please subscribe for more videos, updates po tayo. Ayan, magandang klaseng bato. Ayan po guys, laki to guys. Ayan po siya, oh. So para may nakita ko guys, ito guys. Ayan to. Magandang klase din, mayroong ibang kulay. May purple. Katabi lang niya. Dito lang sa gilid. Ayun, parang may nakita pa ako guys. Isang magandang klaseng bato din. Parang crystallized. Ayun, may isa pa, oh. Ayun guys, oh. Ayun siya, oh. Ayan po siya, oh. Ayun. Maganda nga, kulay green. Ayun po, updates po tayo guys. Ito po, bago nating nakita. Marami pala dito to. Ako. Ayan po siya, oh. Wow. Huwag po kayong mahuli sa ating mga latest updates sa ating mga stones na nakikita natin. Kaya ito guys, ang ganda. Kulay green, orange, yellow green. Saka meron pa dun guys, meron mong nakita. Islap sa mata. Tignan natin ito. Ito siya, oh. Ayan po, here we go. Wow, gemstone. Guys, it's a gemstone. Wow, beautiful gemstone. You see guys, gemstone. Oh, really great. It's beautiful stone. Guys, gemstone. Then we have here green stones. Tsaka yung malaki, meron pang isa, malaki yung isa. Una natin nakita. You see this guys. Wow. Updates po sa lahat ng mga viewers natin. Be updated for more videos and more stones. We found gemstone today. Here we go. I don't know what this one. Check this one. I'm gonna check this one. It's color green. There you go guys. Wow. It's another one. It's another stone. It's a yellow green stone. Wow, we have plenty of stone here that we found guys. Okay, let's go back there and check. There's another one. Whoa guys, it's a jade stone. Look, Guys, the jade stone. And you see it's a jade stone? Here. Let's look at it. There you go, guys. Jade stone. I think it's a jade stone. It's color white. Wow. Just right here, guys, there's plenty of kind of stones. Beautiful one. Beautiful stones. Guys, here we go. Subscribe and follow our channel. Here we go, guys. Beautiful stone we found. Limestone, jade stone, and different type of stone here. So beautiful. Wow. Okay. Let's see for more. Let's for more stones in here. This one is a stone, white stone. Oh, I found something, guys. There you go, guys. A little small one. There you go. Small stone. Small stone. And it's beautiful. Stripe. It's another kind of stone. Stripe stone. How about this one? It's brown. Oh, it's brown. Oh, nice one. See? Here, guys, is another one. That's what I'm talking about later. Here, there. Here, guys. It's a beautiful stone. Wow, it's crystallized. Oh, it's a crystallized. It's crystallized stones. This was beautiful. Oh wow, that's beautiful stone. You see? The crystallized stone. Wow, it's beautiful stone. You've got a plenty of kind of stone here. Found it in one single watching. And guys, you see this? Plenty of stone. Oh, it's beautiful. This one is big. It's a really great. It's beautiful stone right there. Okay, guys. Watch for more videos and latest videos uploaded. Thank you for watching, guys, and be updated. Subscribe and share our videos. Thank you for so much for watching, our subscribers and viewers. God bless everyone. Thank you.